Hello students. Night of the Scorpion, Figures of Speech, Part 2. Now see the lines. With every movement that the scorpion made his poison moved in mother's blood, they said. Here we can see alliteration, means sound of the letter M has been repeated 4 times for poetic effect. See the next line. May he sit still. May he sit still. Here also, sit still. S sound has been repeated. See the line. May the sins of your previous birth be burned away tonight, they said. Here, B sound. Birth burned. So, B sound has been repeated. So, alliteration and may your sufferings decrease the misfortunes of your next birth. Here again, alliteration, M sound has been repeated for better poetic effect. Now see the lines. May the sum of all evil balanced in this unreal world against the sum of good become diminished by your pain. Here, antithesis. Antithesis means two opposite words. Evil and good are used in the same line to depict how the peasants use the concept of good and evil to get the relief for the poet's mother. Next one is repetition. Which word has been repeated? Sum. So it is repeated twice in the lines to symbolize the fact that the total evil in the world gets diminished due to the pain borne by the poet's mother. See the line, may the poison purify your flesh. Here, alliteration is there and P sound has been repeated in the words poison and purify. Another one important figure of speech is oxymoron, means two seemingly contradictory words, that means poison and purify, are placed next to each other. Poison, purify, seemingly opposite, contradictory words. They convey slight opposite meaning. They are placed together. That's why we call that as oxymoron. Now see the lines. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. Here consonants can be observed. See, the S sound has been repeated in the line. So alliteration and consonants means what? Consonants means here see the in the middle of the alliteration beginning sound. We mark the beginning sound, but consonants you can see the sound will repeat in the middle of the word also and anywhere. So it is consonants and repetition. Which word is repeated? More. More has been repeated 4 times. So repetition is there. Okay. So listen carefully and learn these figures of speech.